Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dava Ahmad Cacanga. I'm here to present material job interview. Applying an interview for employment. Objective: explain the purpose of application letter and describe how to apply the idea organizational approach to them. Describe the typical sequence of job interview, the major types of interview, and attribute employment look for during an interview. List 6 tasks you need to complete to prepare for a success job interview. Explain how success in all three stages of an interview. Identify the most common of employment message that follow an interview and explain when you would use each one. Submitting your resume. Your resume is centerpiece of your job search package, but it needs support from several other employment messages, including application letter, job inquiry letter, application form, and follow-up notes. Whenever you mail, email, hand deliver, or upload your resume, you should include an application letter, also known as cover letter, to let readers know what you're sending, why you are sending it, and how they can benefit from reading it. Even though this message is often not a printed letter anymore, many professionals still refer to it as a letter. Take the same care with your application letter that you took with your resume. A poorly written application letter can prompt employers to skip over your resume even if you are a good fit for a job. Follow up. Discussing if, when, and how to follow up after submitting your resume and application letter is one of the tricky part of the job search. First and foremost, keep in mind that employers continue to evaluate your communication effort and professionalism during this phase, so don't say or do anything to leave negative impression. Second, agree whatever instruction the employer has provided. If a job posting say no calls, for example, don't call. Third, if your job posting lists a close date, don't call or read before then, because the company is still collecting application and will not have met a close date is given and you have no other information to suggest a timeline. You can generally contact the company starting a week or two after submitting your resume. When you follow up by email or telephone, you can share an additional piece of information that link your qualification to this position. Keep an eye out for late breaking news about the company too, and ask a question about the hiring process as a way to gather some information about your status. Here example for CV or application letter. Understanding the interviewing process. An employment interview is meeting during which both you and the prospective employment ask a question and exchange information. The employment objective is to find the best talent to fill a viable job opening, and your objective is to find the right match for your goal and capabilities. As you get to ready to begin interview, keep two vital points in mind. First, recognize that the process takes time. Start your preparation and search early. The best job offer usually go to the best prepared candidate. Second, don't limit your option by looking at only a few companies. By exploring a wide range of firms and positions, you might uncover great opportunities that you would not have found otherwise. You you will increase the odds getting more job offer too. The typical sequence of interviews. Most employer interview an applicant multiple times before deciding to make a job offer. At the most selective companies, you might have a dozen or more individual interviews across several stages. Depending on the company and the position, the process might stretch out over many weeks, or it may be complete in matter of days. Employers start with the screening stage, in which they filter out applicants who are unqualified or otherwise not a good fit for the position. The next stage of interview, the selection stage, help the organization identi- identify the top candidate from all those who qualify. You might be invited back for a final evaluation of by high-ranking executive. The objective of the final stage is often to sell you on the advantages of joining the organization. Be prepared to encounter a variety of interview approaches. This can be distinguished by the way they are structured, the number of people involved, and the purpose of the interview. Structured interview, open-ended interview, panel interview, group interview, behavioral interview, situational interview, working interview, stress interview. Next, interview media. Except to be interviewed through a variety of media. Employer Employers trying to cut travel costs and the demands of staff time now interview candidates via telephone, email, instant messaging, virtual online system, and video conferencing, and in addition to traditional face-to-face meeting. Interview give employers the chance to go beyond and the basic data, your resume, to get to know you and answer to essential question. The first is whether you can handle the responsibilities of the position. Naturally, the more you know about the demand of position, and the more you talk about how your skill match those demand, the better you'll be able to respond. The second essential question is whether you will be a good fit with the organization and the target position. In an effort to improve your predictability of the selection process, many employers now conduct a variety of pre-employment evaluating and investigation. Here, uh, here are here are tips for of assignment you are like to encounter during your job search: integrity test, personality test, cognitive test, large proficiency, job knowledge, and job skill test, substance test, background check. Preparing for a job interview. Now that you are armed with insight into the interview and assessment process, you are ready to begin prepare for your interview. Preparation will help you feel more confident and perform better under pressure. And preparation start with learning about the organization. Employers accept serious candidates to demonstrate an understanding of the company's operation, its market, and its strategic to statistical challenge. You already done some initial research to identify companies of interest, but when you're invited to an interview, it's time to dig a little deeper. Making this effort demonstrates your interest in company, and it identifies you as a business professional who know the importance of identification and analysis. Understanding the interviewing process. An employment interview is meeting during which both you and the prospective employer ask questions and exchange information. The employer objective is to find the best talent to fill a available job opening, and your objective is to find the right match for your goal and capabilities. As you get ready to begin interviewing, keep two vital points in your mind. First, recognize that the process takes time. Start your preparation and research early. The best job offer usually to go to the best prepared candidate. Second, don't mind limit your opinion by looking at only a few companies. By exploring a wide range of firms and positions, you might uncover get opportunities that would be not have found otherwise. You you will interest the odds of getting more job offer. The typical sequence of interview. First one, during the screening stage of interview, use the limit time available to confirm your fit for the position. The second, during the select during during the selection stage, continue to show how your skill and attribute can help the company. The third, during the final stage in the interviewer might try to sell you on working for the firm. Common types of interview. A, a structured interview follows the set sequence of questionnaire, allow the interview team to compare answer from all candidates. In a in an open-ended interview, the interviewer adapt the line questionnaire based on your response and question. In panel interview, you meet will send several interviewers at once, and in a group interview, you and several other candidates meet with one or more interviewer at once. In behavioral interview, you are asked to describe how you handle situation from your past. In institutional interviewer, you asked to explain how you would handle various hypothetical situations. In working interview, you perform actual work-related tasks. Stress interview help required see how you handle yourself under pressure. Interview media. Accept to use variety of media when you interview, from in-person conversation to virtual meeting. Treat a telephone interview as seriously as you would in the person interview. When interviewing via email or IM, be sure to take a moment to review your response before sending them. In a video interview, speak to the camera as though you dressing interview person. Computer-based virtual interview range from simple structured interview to realistic job simulation to meeting in the virtual world. What employers look for in interview? Suitable for a specific job is judged on the basis of such factors as academic preparation, work experience, and job-related professionality traits. Compatibility with an organizational culture and position is judged on such factors as personal background, attitudes, and communication style. Pre-employment starting and background checks. Integrity tests. Integrity tests attempt to measure how truthful and trustworthy a candidate is likely to be. Personality tests. Personality tests are designed to gauge such aspects as attitude toward work, interest, managerial potential, dependability, commitment, and motivation. Cognitive tests. Cognitive tests measure a variety of attributes involved in acquiring accuracy, processing, analyzing, using, and remembering information. Typical tests involve reading comprehension, mathematics, problem solving, and decision making. Language proficiency. You may be asked to take a reading or writing test. Job knowledge and job skill test. This assessment measures the knowledge and skill required to success in particular position and acquainting candidate. For example, may be test principal and legal matters knowledge and asked to create a simple balance sheet and income statement out or skill. Substance. A majority of companies perform some level of drug and alcohol testing. Many employers believe such testing is necessary to maintain workplace safety, endorse productivity, and protect companies from lawsuits. But others view it as an invasion of employee privacy. Background check. In addition to testing, most companies conduct some sorts and background check, including reviewing your credit record, checking to see whatever you have criminal history, and verifying your educational ed- education. Moreover, you should assume that every employer will conduct the general online search on you to help prevent a background check from tripping you up. Verify, verify that your college transcripts are current. Look for anything mistake or outdated information in your credit record. Plug your name into multiple search engines to see whatever anything embarrassing show up, and score your social network profile and connection for potential problem. Preparing for a job interview. Learning about organization. Interview accept you to know some basic information about the company and its industry. Thinking ahead about question. You can accept to face number of common question in your interview. Your interview, so be sure to prepare for them. Look for a way to frame your response as brief story rather than as dry fact or statement. Preparing questions of your own help you understand the company and the position, and it sends an important signal that you are truly interested. But boosting your confidence. The best way to build your confidence is prepare thoroughly and address shortcomings as best you can. In other words, take action. Polishing your interview style. Taking mock interview with a friend is one good way on your style. Evaluate the length and clarity of your answer, your nonverbal behavior, and the quality of your voice. Presenting a professional image, dress comfortability, and will be groomed for every interview. Being ready when you arrive. Be ready to go the minute you arrive the interviewing site. Don't fumble around for resume or your list question. Interviewing for success. The warm up, the first minute of the interview is crucial to stay alert and to be your best business behavior. Recognize that you could face substantial questions as soon as your interview start start. So make sure you are prepared and ready to go. The question and answer stage. Listen carefully to question before you answer. Paying attention to both verbal and non-verbal messages you can help you turn the question and answer stage your advantage. Federal, states, and local laws prohibit employee discrimination based on variety of factor of factor. And well-trained interview know to avoid question that could be used to discriminate in the hiring process. Think about how you might respond if you were were ex potentially unlawful question. The clause conclude an interview with Coste courtesy, and enthusiasm. Research salary range in your job, industry, and geographic region before you try the negotiate salary. The negotiating benefit might be one way to get more value from an employment package. Interviewing notes. Keeping a careful record your job interview extension. Following up after an interview. Follow up message of inquiry, request for time extension, letter of acceptance, letter declining a job offer, letter of resignation. That's all for from me. If there are words that are not quite right, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.